Are you craving a home that feels peaceful and clutter-free? Wondering how minimalist interior decor can help you create a calm, stylish space without sacrificing comfort? Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about minimalist design, from color choices to furniture and more. Let's dive into these questions and find out how you can simplify your space beautifully. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Can minimalist design be cozy? Absolutely. Minimalism isn't about cold emptiness, it's about intentional comfort. Soft throws, textured rugs, and warm lighting can make minimalist rooms feel inviting and lived in while keeping clutter at bay. Enjoy this tip? Give it a thumbs up. Can patterns be used in minimalism? Patterns are used sparingly, usually in soft, subtle ways like a geometric rug or gentle wallpaper. The key is to maintain balance and avoid overwhelming the space's peaceful vibe. Like mixed looks? Hit like for more style tips. How can minimalist design fit small spaces? Minimalism is perfect for small spaces. By focusing on essentials and smart storage, you make rooms feel bigger and more open. Mirrors and light colors further enhance this effect. Know someone in a small space? Share this tip. How do colors influence minimalist interiors? Neutral tones like white, beige, gray, and soft pastels dominate minimalist spaces. These colors promote tranquility and allow natural light to brighten rooms. Accents come from textures or small pops of color, keeping the space interesting yet serene. Dreaming of calm spaces? Show some love. How do you decorate without cluttering in minimalist style? Decor should be meaningful and limited. One statement piece or a small plant can add personality without distraction. It's about quality over quantity and showcasing what truly matters. Found this helpful? Share it with a friend seeking calm. How does lighting affect minimalist spaces? Lighting plays a huge role. Natural light is ideal, making spaces feel airy. Simple fixtures like recessed lights or pendant lamps highlight key areas without adding clutter. Thoughtful lighting creates mood and depth. Like the natural light look? Hit like to see more. How does minimalist decor support mental well-being? A clutter-free environment reduces stress and helps focus. Minimalist spaces encourage mindfulness and calm, making your home a true sanctuary from daily chaos. Feel inspired? Tap like before you go. How should furniture be chosen in minimalist decor? Furniture should be functional, with sleek, simple lines. Multi-purpose pieces like storage benches or foldable tables maximize space. Avoid ornate or bulky furniture, focusing instead on pieces that blend seamlessly with the room. Planning a floor update? Save this idea now. What is minimalist interior decor? Minimalist interior decor focuses on simplicity and function. It strips away unnecessary items, leaving only what's essential and purposeful. This style creates clean, open spaces that feel calm and inviting without overcrowding. The goal is to bring balance and clarity to your living environment. Love clear, calm spaces? Hit that like button. What materials work best for minimalist design? Natural materials like wood, metal, glass, and stone are preferred. Their simplicity and texture add warmth without overwhelming. Matte finishes and smooth surfaces help maintain the clean aesthetic essential in minimalist rooms. Like subtle textures? Tap like to continue. What mistakes should be avoided in minimalist decorating? Avoid oversimplifying to the point of coldness or emptiness. Minimalism should feel warm and inviting, not sterile. Also, don't ignore personal touches that make a house a home. Have you tried this approach? Share your thoughts with us. What's the role of storage in minimalist interiors? Efficient storage keeps surfaces clear and rooms organized. Built-in shelves, hidden compartments, and neat baskets prevent clutter, allowing the beauty of the space to shine through. Take a moment today to see how this tip works for you. Minimalist interior decor is more than a style. It's a way to create peace, focus, and beauty in your home by embracing simplicity with intention. Start small, choose purposefully, and watch your space transform into a calming retreat.